Nakakatuwang isipin na this project actually started as a funnel project. Beta client ko sila noon, gagawa na sana ako ng funnel for the company. But because of my background in digital strategy, automation, process improvement, napunta yung usapan sa operation nila mismo. Nagkaroon kami ng high-level discussion about their workflows, existing processes, and pain points sa operations. Then, namingi ako ng copy sa mga forms na ginagamit nila daily because that's where real digitalization starts, data collection. As a founder and solopreneur, medyo exciting at chaotic din yung process sa likod nito. Si Cloud AI talaga yung gamit ko sa pag-build ng pilot system. Free version, paggamit ko ron. Kaya kapag ubos na yung token, hintay ka muna ulit sa next reset. Then I realized, hindi na to simpleng idea lang. So nag-avail ako ng web hosting sa Hostinger for 1 month para matest ko yung pilot application. And honestly, ang daming learning sa mga binubuo ko siya. From workflows to structuring forms to figuring out how the actual system should behave based on real operations. Eventually, nakagawa rin ako ng pilot working application na ipakita ko sa client. Pero inabot pa halos ng 1 month bago ma-sign yung contract. Which meant, nag-renew ulit ako ng hosting. At nagpa-upgrade din ako kay Cloud Pro. And now, finally, official na rin ang project. Nakapag-register na rin si client ng sariling hosting, which means tuloy-tuloy na ang development and implementation. Abangan nyo yung next updates as we slowly turn manual process into working digital systems. Follow for more inside the digital transformation journey.